This 2024 Jayco Greyhawk 27U is a Class C RV. It is located in Columbia City, Indiana, 46725 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Wayne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2024 Jayco Greyhawk 27U is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.